Welcome to another insightful episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, your go-to source for fresh ideas and perspectives in maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, leading the charge as the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're taking an intriguing journey into the realm of reliability engineering with industry veteran Steven Dobie from Tech Resources Limited. We'll be uncovering career paths, exploring the role of a reliability engineer, and shedding light on the impact they can have on a company's operations. Buckle up for a fascinating ride. Previously on Masterminds in Maintenance, we started our exploration into the world of reliability engineering with Steven Dobie, a seasoned reliability engineer at Tech Resources Limited. Steven enlightened us about his unexpected journey into the field of reliability engineering around 4 to 5 years ago, starting with a company named Fluid Life, known for its specialization in oil analysis. Steven's story is not unusual. Many professionals like Steven didn't plan to become reliability engineers, but they've discovered a passion for the work and the significant influence it can exert on a company's operations. In this episode, we're widening our lens to explore diverse career paths within the maintenance and reliability industry. From facilities management to maintenance planning to technicians and reliability engineers, the options are many. We'll be highlighting the importance of a reliability engineer's role in conducting long-term analysis, understanding an asset's lifecycle, and handling significant non-urgent responsibilities. Steven will underline the significance of a reliability engineer's interaction with the maintenance department. We'll discuss how maintaining some distance from daily operations is crucial, yet it's equally vital to be approachable, amiable, and to keep communication channels open with those on the ground. So, what's the way to becoming a reliability engineer? Steven's advice is straightforward. Apply for a job, earn the title, and learn as you progress. It's about diving into the field, learning from informative content like our podcast, expanding your knowledge on reliability, and possibly pursuing certifications like the CMRP from SMRP. The role of a reliability engineer is not without its challenges. Steven will discuss how managing different personalities and motivations can be a daunting task, but with a focus on the problem, not the people, and an understanding of what drives each individual, these challenges can be navigated successfully. Finally, Steven will share his favorite aspect of his role, the lasting impact of the changes he implements. He derives satisfaction from knowing that he's made a significant impact, even if the value of his projects may only be realized after he's moved on from his role. And that brings us to the end of this episode. We've explored the role of reliability engineers, the diverse career paths within the maintenance and reliability industry, and the significant impact these roles can have on a company's operations. We hope you found this information valuable. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this episode helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about Upkeep and our services, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, the journey to becoming a reliability engineer is just a step away.